So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote ClickBank products with Microsoft ads and start making money immediately. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Straightforward, simple, and no bullshit. So please consider subscribing and let's get back to the video. So guys, first thing is first, again, I'm going on ClickBank. The product which I'm choosing right now is Quiet Plus. Again, this is the product. This is how it looks. Quietum Plus. Okay, so it's a tinnitus product. And again, the gravity is around 86. The average conversion is $118. So which means it's good enough. And 86 people are right now making money with this. And more are promoting. So now again, first things first, these are my landing pages. Again, I'm gonna run generic ads. So these are my landing pages. These two are my landing pages. And again, I'm going to link a domain right now. It's a generic domain, but I would prefer like keeping a domain where it says, cure tinnitus or Sona Vive or like the product name over here. Okay. Again, the landing page should be same as it is, but I was promoting a different product here. But again, the landing page should be the same as it is, just change the product name or the product photo. Now I'm gonna go in my Google Ads account or Microsoft Ads account, and the same thing you can do it with Google Ads as well. I've already created a video. If you want, you can go and check it out after this video. All you have to do is just click on campaign, just click on create, visit my website, search ads, click next. I'm gonna keep it test. Okay, for now you need to keep a budget of 100. Okay, so that's there. Let me choose the specific 100. Let me choose a specific location. I'm gonna choose tier 1 countries, which is United States. Okay, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland. So for now I'm just choosing United States, but you can choose whatever you want. Tier 1 countries. Okay, go over here. I would select English, save and go to next step. Okay, now my ad group would be ad group 1. Okay, now the keywords. So literally what I've done is I've messaged this guy. Okay, where did it go? The seller contact. Okay, and then he has sent me all the details. Okay, so if I just open this one, he has given me all the keywords. I click over here. So these are the keywords he has given me. But what I'm gonna do is, so I'm gonna just copy all of these things. Okay, go on keyword match type tool, paste it here, phrase match, exact match. So I use this website called keyword match type tool. It will help you create keywords. Select all, make a keyword list, select all. Now again, as if you cannot understand this thing, I've created a step-by-step free course. The link is down below, where it explains you step by step in more detail. Again, right now I'm just giving you an overview on which keywords to use. Copy this thing, come back over here, paste it over here, and literally I can just go on bing.com. Okay, even on Google you can go. So in Google, when I type tinnitus cure, so I saw an ad over here, what causes tinnitus, really new 2022 tinnitus breakthrough. When I open this thing, if I open this thing right now, so this is the website. So again, you can copy the exact web page as well, and then literally I can just copy this thing. Okay, and even let me just do one thing, tinnitus cure, paste it on Bing. Okay, so again, I can see over here as well, and you're ringing tinnitus, copy this thing. So this is the first ad. Save and go to next step. Again, create an ad. I'll try to do A/B testing. For now I'm gonna use this landing page, but you can use this kind of landing page as well. But right now, for the test purpose, I'm just gonna use one. But when you're creating, you can use 2 different ad groups with different landing page. Again, expanded is going to be closed by Feb 1, but I prefer expanded. Paste it over here. Title part 1 would be the same as it is, and eliminate and ear ringing. Okay, just do this before bed. Okay, or you can keep responsive as well, it's fine. Okay, just end your ringing, just do this before bed. Okay, with responsive ads, you need to spend a little more ad money to test, but again, it's the same. I can copy this thing, what really is, paste it, and it is baked through. Okay, now add your own twist as well. So again, eliminate your ringing, right? You can type eliminate or end, eliminate or end, end, and your ringing tonight. That's fine. It's something like this, or what else you can do is tinnitus natural treatment. So you can do tinnitus natural for, okay, and then for description as well, literally I can just go top doctor, do this, go back over here, paste it, and then go back, okay, watch video, and then go back on Google or bing.com, then say goodbye to tinnitus, paste it over here. Okay, okay, I'll just do this, say goodbye to tinnitus, watch video. Okay, did my mix and match. Just do save. I'm not going to talk about site links and all of these things right now. Again, everything is explained in my free course. I don't know, for some reason I'm looking into the mic. I should look into the camera. Yeah, because I think so I'm making the video in the night. But yeah, so that's all about it, guys. Save and go to next step. Budget, I'll keep one. Yeah, this is fine. Advanced targeting, everything is fine. Again, right now I'm not gonna divide into mobile and desktop. Once I get the sale, I'll put tracking as well, but in this video I'm not going to show you tracking. Check it in the free course. But I'm going to but in this video I show you how easy it is to create an ad. Save and go to next step, and yeah, that's it. You have created a video, right? So again, this is how you make the video, guys. Nothing is complicated. If you feel like it's complicated, just watch the free course, or if you have any question, just message me on Instagram. The link is down below as well. And I think so that's it for today's video. Please consider subscribing if you like this video, if it was helpful. And Yavar Khan signing off.